Topic 4, Research Methods. Formulation of a testable hypothesis. In statistics, the null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis are two opposing hypotheses used to test the validity of a claim or hypothesis about a population. The null hypothesis is the hypothesis that there is no significant difference between two groups or variables, or that there is no significant effect of an intervention or treatment. It is considered the default hypothesis until evidence is provided to reject it. In other words, the null hypothesis is a statement of no effect or no difference. The alternative hypothesis is the hypothesis that there is a significant difference between two groups or variables, or that there is an effect of an intervention or treatment. It is the opposite of the null hypothesis. The alternative hypothesis is the hypothesis that the researcher wants to support, and it represents the possibility of finding a significant difference or effect. For example, let's say a researcher wants to test the claim that a new drug is more effective than an existing drug for treating a specific condition. The null hypothesis in this case would be that there is no significant difference between the two drugs, while the alternative hypothesis would be that the new drug is more effective than the existing drug. The researcher would then collect data and use statistical tests to determine whether there is enough evidence to reject the null hypothesis in favour of the alternative hypothesis. If the null hypothesis cannot be rejected, then it is assumed to be true until further evidence suggests otherwise. If the null hypothesis is rejected, then it is concluded that there is sufficient evidence to support the alternative hypothesis.